Hello everyone, Spin Driving School. We're back with another video. Let's get into some U-turns. They're still illegal. Becoming quite prevalent throughout the lower mainland these days. Especially on low heat. I feel like low heat is the mecca of U-turns. They just keep coming. This is why you never follow a car into the intersection, especially a large vehicle like the bus. I have the right of way here. Know your rights. This is not a safe gap. If you do this on your test, good luck. Not sure what the hell's going on here. That white car should be clearing the intersection. I don't know if they're intending to go straight or left. They're in the wrong spot, and then they had to get underneath that SkyTrain platform next to the pillar there to keep themselves out of the way. Yeah, if you get into the intersection, try to get out of it, and don't enter the intersection when it's not safe or when it's not clear. You know, make better choices. So they're both going straight. What? Now pay attention to the bottom right. That cyclist there almost gets smoked by the car. I don't know if he was trying to go to get across rather. Also, he's using a crosswalk, then he's on the sidewalk. Like, make up your mind. I mean, the problem with cyclists is just they... Anyways. What is this guy doing? Okay, he's not going anywhere. I'm trying to make a right turn. Now he's basically in the way. And it's my student driving, so he doesn't want to do that. I have to go all the way around him. And these guys just don't respect the rules at all, so. You gotta deal with these dumb mofos, especially around this time of the year. This is no right on a red light. Pay attention to the top sign there. And this is brand new, maybe only a month or so. If you don't know where you're going, pull over to the side, give some space. Don't just stop in the middle of the road. It's not only stupid and dangerous and irresponsible, it's not safe. Just no bueno. No bueno, señor. And then we move on. Why is this truck making a lane change? I don't know, but maybe he's trying to get off. No, he's just going around. Essentially 1.5, 2 obstacles. I mean, the other truck was already merging in, so these lazy drivers, I tell you, impatient. If you're on your phone, sooner or later, you're going to pay the price. It is unfortunate, and, you know, it's sometimes very strange and unusual and ambiguous how these police officers enforce the law and when and where. Most people know about the quotas, the end of the month, but when it comes to distracted driving, they have been quite vigilant. So, you know, don't text and drive. And if you're going to do so, you need to be a little bit more aware of your surroundings, which I don't condone or recommend, but if you are, wink wink, don't do it. So this individual paid the price. Probably for something. I think it is. Whoa, what are we doing, fella? That was pretty close. Stop signs are there for a reason. You're supposed to make a right turn there, and all of a sudden you're trying to make a lane change with no signal. Ay, 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 caramba. Look at this idiot here. And this guy was behind me the entire time. Unreal. Nice exit coming up here. Sarcastically speaking. Don't ever do this. This is so stupid. Going across 4 lanes to exit from the highway. Man. Idiotic. Don't follow a car into the intersection. I've said this earlier in the video. And now you're getting stuck halfway in between, over the line, over the center. Very dangerous position for you to be in. Automatic fail on the road test. Don't do it until it's clear. Wait for the car ahead of you to clear so you know where you're going. You know it's clear. Make good choices. If you're turning left, turn a little bit closer to the yellow line, okay? Don't take the whole frickin' road to make a left turn, because now I have no room to pass you now. If you're turning right on the red light, you should be stopping for a good reason. That guy almost got Sparta kicked. Don't be speeding in school zones. And now, look out for summer schools until July 21st. If you're still watching this video in July, look out for summer schools. Don't creep into the intersection when the light is red, unless you're making the right turn. Is that what's happening here? No, this guy's going straight, so he was a little bit early. This is why you sometimes need to shoulder check even before going into these left turning lanes, right? Look at that. That's a right turning lane for that red car. Nah, just go straight. Cuts everyone off. Double turning lane, stay in your lane. Again, cuts the other guy off. So stupid. You're not supposed to be making a left turn there. There's actually an arrow on the other side of that intersection pointing in the right direction. So, why are you turning into my lane? Over the double yellow line? That was wide. Driving on the wrong side of the road again. What is wrong with people these days? Avoiding obstacles. This is quite a big one. Bunch of, I think there were sandbags, allegedly. Maybe it was cocaine. Fell off a truck. And this area has just been a shit show too. Brentwood, man, and it's only going to get worse with more construction coming in. So skipping forward a little bit, we'll see a gentleman securing his load. Don't lose your load. You want to be more disabled, really? Use the sidewalk. Parking so far away from the curb. Not cool. And what is with people dropping other people off just in the middle of the road? There's a parking lot right there. Same thing here. At least this is rather quick, so still not good. And this is also not okay. However, well done, well executed. Red light, you're not holding up traffic. And then this gentleman is going to make a right turn at a red light. So if I want, I can follow through. I'm yielding to the cyclist, even though the walk sign is not on. So they are crossing or riding illegally, but it is what it is. And then my student kind of turns into the wrong lane. Always turn to the curb lane when you're turning right, except for when you have a bus lane. Ay, ay, ay. Again, not a crosswalk. But you have to stop. You have to yield one way or another. Not even looking. Unreal, man. That's it. That's all. See you folks next time. Stay safe.